Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Colin from Clumbark, where we are embarking on the journey to become millionaires in under 10 years. In the last video, we established that I still got about $1,300 left to go before I hit my net worth goal for 2020. $1,300 in 5 months doesn't seem too bad, but with my summer internship coming to an end and tons of school expenses coming up in the fall, I really need to make the most out of the month of August. So for what's like the first time ever, I made a budget. I quickly wanted to run through it with all of you guys. We're gonna run through how much I expect to make, how much I expect to spend, how much I expect my net worth to change by, and finally, what variables might hurt us or help us. If you happen to be a budgeting pro and see anything I could improve upon, please let me know in the comments below. So without further ado, let's take a look at our first ever budget. So for the month of August, let's start with my income. I expect to make about $1,900. Over $1,500 of that is going to come from my summer internship, and I'm expecting to make about $350 from a restaurant that I work on the weekends. Now for the expenses. As of right now, I'm expecting to spend about $750 this month. Let's go ahead and see how fast I can list those off. Spotify, $5. Netflix, $13. Adobe, $22. $40 for gas. $40 for food and entertainment. I put those two together because let's be real. During these crazy times, food is our entertainment. My fraternity dues are reduced right now and they're at $45 a month. My parking pass for school, $179 for a semester. $150 is budgeted for dorm supplies, but to be honest, I could be way off. I haven't even looked at what I need. And finally, I'm putting $250 towards starting a business. I have no idea what, but we'll figure it out. So how is all this going to affect my net worth? Well, my $1,900 in income minus my $744 in expenses will hopefully leave us with an increase in net worth of about $1,156. $250 of which is going to go back to replace whatever money I spent on a business, and the other $906 is going to go into my stock portfolio that I still need to get started. While all of this looks perfect on paper, there are still some things that are uncertain. I'll start with the good. The good is that I might be able to pick up an extra week or two at my internship. That's an extra $400 a week. Of course, that paycheck wouldn't come until September, but that would put us in really good shape for next month. Now the bad, those pesky dorm supplies. That $150 that I'm shooting for is a total guess. Right now, it looks like I don't need that much, but the second that I find out I need something like a futon, it's game over. My plan is shot. And those business startup costs? I don't even know what business I'm starting. Who knows what those will be? If you enjoyed this video and stayed all the way to the end, I appreciate you, and it would mean the world to me if you could leave a like and subscribe to join us on this journey. I'm trying to hit 500 subscribers by the end of this month, but if I don't, I still appreciate all of you. With that being said, my name's Colin, and I'll see you in the next one.